Hey Bill, thanks for tuning in. It is your girl Melissa Danielle. Today we're going to be discussing shapewear. Sis loves to look snatched underneath her dress and her tight-fitting clothes. And you guys will always ask me what shapewear I'm wearing, so I'll always come and tell you guys when I get some new items. It's shapessecrets.com. So I'm going to link everything down below in the description bar. And then I have a discount code for you as well, which is Melly20. So use my discount code Melly20 at checkout to save 20% on your purchase. So I have my shapewear here. I'm going to be trying on everything and show you guys how it fits and what it looks like. So I wanted to compare the Chinese shapewear compared to like the Columbianas, the Fajas. So we're going to get into that first because there's a difference. There's a difference. So I have this shaper here. This is one of those Chinese girdles. There is a huge difference. The first thing I noticed, which was very aggravating when I was putting it on, is that they have the little eyelet hook thingies like this. So they're little pieces like that. And when you're putting them on, you guys know it's meant to suck you in. So all your jiggly bits are going to be smushed in there. And when it's in there and it's hooked, all the fat is poking through it. And then on top of that, you have to zip it up. That was like the most horrifying moment of my life. If you guys have ever seen something about Mary and Ben Stiller zips up his zipper, that's what it was giving me. I was so terrified to zip this up. I'm like trying to push my rolls back into the fold so I could try to like get the zipper to come up. It was so scary. But yeah, so it's like that. And then this one for me, I felt like the compression was just in the front. I didn't feel like I had compression on the sides or in the back. Also, I didn't feel like the butt part was good. Like it's really short. The butt part is from here to here. So you get this little, whose butt is this small? So it was small and it kept riding up. And the panty or the short, whatever you want to call it, was like trying to become a thong, and I did not like that at all. So it got to a point where like my butt cheek was like hanging out the bottom. It was like my butt cheek was hanging out the bottom of the short because it kept riding up. The Columbianas that I have, they have grippers on the bottom right here where the lace is at, and they're longer. So like it's not riding up. My butt is inside and it's being lifted and contoured and it looks really nice. But with this one, it was butt cheeks to the wind, you guys. Like, and it also, it's not as structured as my other ones. Like this is really like just flimsy. Like the other ones I have are constructed better. They're more sturdy is what I'm trying to say, and I feel like they grip you and hold you and suck you in a lot better. So yeah, this one I was not impressed with. I felt like this will not stand the test of time. And then it's not the same quality that I'm used to. It feels a lot more cheaper, like $10 kind of thing, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's this one. This is the Chinese one. No, I'm not a fan. So we're gonna get into these other ones. So this one is called the Columbiana Waist Shaping Bodysuit. It's like a faja, the control faja. And this one has the high compression level. It smooths your silhouette and flattens your tummy, unnoticeable under any dress or skirt, and it complements your weight loss diet or fitness program. Honey, this is structured. Like this is, I'm not going anywhere. I am here to shape and mold your body. Like, you guys see, I have to like pull like with the strength of Thor to get this to budge. This is what you want when you want to shape and structure your body. Like you want something that is going to hold you in. It's going to come against those rolls and those bulges that you can't seem to get into control. This is going to control them. Like I said, I'm going to try everything on for you guys. You can see the butt cut out, and then you can see this one has more lace on the bottom as well. The shorts are longer, and like I said, these have grips on the inside of the lace here so that it doesn't roll. This one has a zipper on the side here, so it zips on the side. And this is what I'm talking about right here. So this one, it also has the hooks on here as well, but it has this panel here. So like once you close that hook, that panel comes into place so that the skin of your stomach is hidden behind the panel. So that way you can zip it up without zipping the skin of your stomach into the zipper. And then it has a hook on the top here. You can hook it closed so that it's easier to zip it up. So this is what it looks like on the inside. You can see that long panel here. Like, the construction of this is so awesome. And then guys, it opens in the middle between the legs, so that way you can use the restroom without having to take it off. The straps are adjustable, and they are also removable, so if you don't want to have them on, you don't have to. I keep my straps on so that way I don't have to worry about it rolling down, and it looks smoother under your clothes. And like with the straps on, it like secures it in place so that you're getting the maximum amount of compression and support and smoothing. That's the ultimate goal when I wear shapewear, is to get a smooth contoured look. So this is the first one. She's bomb, you guys. Like, it's amazing. It's amazing. So this is also another one of the fajas. This is high compression. So like they go from light compression, medium compression, high compression to maximum compression. It visually reduces up to 2 sizes, has a natural bust and buttocks enhancement, and then it's ideal for daily use, postpartum, or post-surgical. This one I got in the 4X. The first one is in the 4X. So this is what this one looks like. This one's different than the first one. It goes higher up on the back, as you guys can see. So that's higher up in the back. It zips in the middle. And then the booty on the back is like rouged. So it has like a rouged booty right here. So, and then this part is softer and looser. So it's real stretchy. And then it has the lace on the bottom. And this one actually has 2 rows of that sticky gripper material so that it doesn't roll. And this one's also open in the crotch area. And this one also has the hooks and the material to cover up your stomach as well. So this one's also, like I said, high compression. It's going to sculpt and mold you and hold you in place, give you a smooth silhouette, and just make you look snatched under any garment that you wear. Honestly, I don't know which one is my favorite. I've been trying to think about it because like you guys always ask me that, but I don't know in this video which was my favorite. I just love them all. But yeah, high compression, very sturdy, strong, high compression material. Very nice, high quality. This is going to last you a long time. You're going to be able to wear it for a long time. And these do come in different colors. I'm just showing you the ones that I have right now, but they come in different colors. Shapes Secrets have a ton of different shapewear, fajas, girdles, waist shapers, all that good stuff on their website. So I will link them down below in the description bar. And guys, like I said, don't forget to use my discount code. It's Melly20 to save money on your purchase. I believe it's 20% because it's Melly20, but like when it comes to shapewear, guys, don't go cheap, because you want to have good results and you want something that's going to last a long time and you can wear over and over and over again. And when you throw it in the washer, you ain't gonna worry about it getting destroyed. Like, some things you just can't go cheap with. But I'm not saying these are expensive, but to me the quality is better and you want to get your money's worth. But yeah, go check out shapesecrets.com. I will link everything down below in the description bar. I love you guys so much. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah. Bye.